Thanks. What's up, guys? I'm Blue, and I'm back to talk about nutrition. All right, so we're out there running for 31 hours and 15 minutes. What do we got to do? We know we got to hydrate. We know we need our electrolytes in, and that's almost a separate conversation. What we want to talk about is what are the best calories to get in the system and when to take them. This is going to depend on the strategy you have and how hard you're running. So the harder you run, the faster you run, the more toward red line and threshold you're going, the higher percentage of carbohydrate calories or glycogen that you're burning. And it's a very small fuel tank. So when we burn our glycogen out, we hit the wall and we bonk. We have to get carbohydrates back in. By taking in some carbohydrates all the way through a run, we are actually mitigating the glycogen depletion in our bloodstream, in our liver, and everywhere else in our body, in the muscle, everywhere. So we're trying to mitigate that depletion so we never actually get to the bonk. All right? Now, on the other side of things, when we're in a semi-aerobic metabolism and we're not running as hard, we're burning more fat for fuel. That's great because we have these massive fat fuel tanks, all right? And we can kind of go forever on the fat that we just naturally have in our bodies. But the problem is you never just burn pure fat, okay? You're always burning some glycogen with the fat. So the main thing here is that we've got to mitigate the glycogen depletion by taking in some sort of carbohydrate calorie. All right, now the other problem is we're going to be doing this for 31 hours and 15 minutes. And to just take in carbohydrates for that long could create a complete digestive system shutdown. So we want to make sure that we do some sort of whole food nutrition when and where possible, whether that's a smoothie where you're getting in some vegetables and different macronutrients from the fats, essential fats, amino acids, your proteins, and carbohydrates. That's kind of ideal if you can do that. And I think a smoothie is probably the best way to do it because you can put in so many ingredients and then just also drink it down because you're gonna want to drink everything. And it's a lot easier to drink than it is to eat, especially when you have to get back out there and run again. So that's all I have to say about that. And that was way more than 60 seconds. So I'm out of here.